How to turn on or turn off RAM Plus on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on device care. Now in here, tap on memory. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on RAM Plus. At the top here, tap on the toggle button to switch off or turn on RAM Plus. Now so that turn off RAM Plus, your phone needs to restart, so you can tap on the restart button to proceed or simply cancel. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.